The Innovation Institute is a program over several days designed to introduce the concept of the Smart Pen and present some general ideas about how it can be used.
We had to have a regular ed teacher and a special ed teacher create a proposal for using Smart Pens. And I didn't know what they were, but it seemed like a really good idea. And so I asked Tim McElroy, special ed teacher, if he wanted to do this with me. So we created a proposal of getting 25 Smart Pens to help with the chemistry here. The two aspects of the project that we proposed for the Innovation Institute was to have half of the pens be a class set of pens that went with notebooks, that the students would come in and they would pick up their pen and their notebook and they would use it in class on a daily basis, and they'd have access to it. They could upload it, using them for assessment, letting the students actually record their answers on the Smart Pen, because it's hard sometimes to put science in your own words. So we thought, okay, if they just talk about it, they've learned it, so they can talk about it. And also for some of the ESOL students, maybe it would be easier for them to describe it without having to get all the words right.
They not only have the notes in their spiral notebook, but also the audio involved.
You have liquid water. How does water change? What's the difference between water and this? Don't do this, but in case you've ever seen this happen, if you put salt on your hand and then ice on top, anybody ever seen anybody do something silly like that?
In middle school, everyone would do it.
I also use it to create more tight structured pen casts to explain specific essential learnings where I don't want all of the discussion and the student comments. Close together, are they orderly or kind of random?
Random.
Orderly.
Yeah.
So ice crystal structure, right? I'm creating a library of lessons and information that students can access 24/7. I have the hardest units on PenCast right now, and it's just a matter of time until I have my entire curriculum where every important essential learning is on a PenCast. Of sodium chloride, so it goes on the bottom, 58.4.
Anytime that you can introduce useful technology, it's always time well spent. I think the students have embraced the Smart Pen because it actually allows them a lot more flexibility and a little ownership in the whole process.